Hi everyone. Just wanted to let everyone know that don't discount your roosters and your old hens that maybe aren't laying anymore. We had a friend of ours contact us that had a whole lot of roosters she hatched out last year and offered to give us a portion of them in return for butchering. So we are going to make chicken bologna like our Amish neighbors do. Some of it we're going to freeze, some of it we're going to can. This will be our first experience with making the chicken bologna. We do have to make it without any preservatives and whatnot because my son and I are highly allergic to MSG and nitrates. So this will have to be done differently and healthy.
Yeah, definitely too tough to just fry up, but it'll work great in this.
Good protein that would have just went to waste because of it being roosters.
You really need a poker stick.
Don't get your fingers in the grinder.
No, don't do that.
We cut the breasts off of these roosters. We skinned them instead of plucking them. Cut the breasts off, cut the legs and thighs off, and then we took the meat off the legs and thighs. I've got a pot of chicken stock boiling on the stove right now from the bones and the meat that's left on the legs and thighs, so that won't go to waste.
Bowl's getting a little full. Yep.
That's all there is right there.
And a pretty good sized bowl here.
Gonna go in the house and season this up with liquid smoke, sea salt,
See what we can
some
get.
other ingredients, and let it marinate. And then we'll be canning it and freezing it tomorrow.
Like you're mixing stuff in.
Making chicken bologna, putting in the salt, sugar, liquid smoke, garlic powder, mixing up the meat. Gonna add some saltine crackers and see where we're at. Again, my son and I cannot have any kind of preservatives, so we might fry up a little bit of this and taste it to see how much salt we have going in it so far, because we are not able to use those preservatives, so we're using sea salt instead. Okay, we fried up and tasted some of our meat, our chicken, ground chicken, after seasoning it. Now we're putting it in jars. I did put a little water in the bottom of the jar. We're gonna put this in here, and then we're gonna get it in the pressure cooker.
Yep, and we're gonna freeze some too. Here it is after it has been pressure canned. I prefer to eat the frozen stuff. I just like it better, but if you didn't have a freezer, this is how you can store it. This is our seasoned ground chicken, also known as chicken bologna. This is the way I prefer to eat it. I like to just get it out and patty it up like a pork burger and fry it up. It tastes very good. But I prefer this over the canned. Either way, it's pretty good, but this is my favorite way to eat it.